Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you cannot access your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro using your lock screen pattern. So if you tried entering the pattern that used to work for you before and it doesn't seem to work right now, or maybe you forgot your lock screen pattern, the best decision in your case would be to try and reach out to Samsung customer support service, tell them about this issue, and if you can provide them with the proof of the ownership of this tablet, then they will most probably be able to help you out with this issue and will help you regain access to your tablet. But if this option doesn't seem available for you, then you can perform a factory reset operation on your tablet, and you have many different options on how to do that. The first one is locally. If you want to perform a factory reset operation locally, you're going to have to use the recovery mode, and if you don't know how to use or how to manage and how to navigate inside the recovery mode on your tablet, then you should check the video on our channel explaining how to perform the factory reset operation through recovery mode on your Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro, and we're gonna explain everything step by step in it, so you don't have to worry about doing anything wrong. But if you want, you can also perform a factory reset operation remotely, and to do so you're gonna have to use any other device with internet access on it. Open a web browser on it, and if you have a Google account linked to your tablet, you can use the Google Find Hub service. In such case, you're gonna have to open this website, then log into your Google account that is linked with this tablet, then go to Devices section, find your Galaxy Active 5 Pro, and select Factory Reset Device. And if you have the Samsung account set up on your tablet, then you're gonna have to sign into your Samsung account here. Then once you do that, select this tablet from the list, and under the Protect My Device section, you have to click on Wipe My Device option. Then choose whether to wipe just removable storage or perform a complete factory data reset. Select factory reset, and then the reset will begin, and once it's performed, you'll be able to set your device, use your device as a new one, so all the data will be removed, as I think I mentioned that, and then you'll be able to regain access to your device. And now let's also consider an option. If you do remember your lock screen password, it doesn't work, doesn't seem to work for you this time. So in such case, maybe that's the issue with some third-party application that's running in the background and affecting the way that your lock screen behaves. Sometimes that happens. In such case, you have to enter the safe mode on your tablet, and I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So in order to enter the safe mode on your tablet, you have to first press and hold down the power button and volume down button at the same time until the power menu disappears from your screen and your screen goes off. Then you have to wait until the Samsung logo appears on your screen again, and wait until it says Galaxy secured by Knox, and wait for a couple of seconds, and after a couple of seconds start pressing the volume down button by itself. There is no exact timing on when you have to do that to access the safe mode, so you just have to maybe you're gonna have to make a couple of attempts until the safe mode indicator appears in the top right left corner of the screen. Yeah, and by the way, keep holding the volume down button until your tablet is loaded up. And now let's unlock the tablet. And if the pattern works for you this time, Then before figuring out what application caused this issue, open settings, go to security and privacy section, then go to screen lock and biometrics, enter your current pattern, then select either swipe or none on this list. And now you can simply restart your tablet once again by pressing power button and volume down key at the same time. Select restart, confirm, and wait until your tablet is restarted. And after your tablet restarts, you will get back into the normal mode, and that's basically it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.